Oregano Part 12, Environmental Impact and Sustainability. Oregano is a widely cultivated herb with significant culinary and medicinal uses. Understanding these impacts and promoting sustainable farming methods are essential for minimizing ecological damage and ensuring long-term viability. Environmental impact of oregano farming. Oregano farming can have both positive and negative effects on the environment. Some key environmental concerns include soil degradation. Intensive oregano farming can lead to soil depletion, erosion, and reduced fertility over time, especially if crop rotation and soil enrichment practices are not followed. Water usage. While oregano is a relatively drought-resistant plant, large-scale cultivation may still require significant water resources, leading to potential strain on local water supplies. Chemical use. The application of pesticides and synthetic fertilizers in non-organic oregano farming can contribute to soil and water pollution, harming biodiversity and ecosystems. Deforestation and land use. In some regions, clearing land for oregano cultivation can contribute to deforestation and habitat destruction, impacting wildlife and carbon sequestration. Carbon footprint. Transportation of oregano, particularly when sourced from distant locations, contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable oregano cultivation and ethical sourcing. To mitigate the environmental impact of oregano farming, adopting sustainable practices is essential. Here are some ways to support sustainability in oregano production. Organic farming. Encouraging organic oregano cultivation reduces the reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, promoting healthier soils and ecosystems. Crop rotation and companion planting. Rotating oregano with other crops helps maintain soil fertility and reduces pest populations naturally. Water conservation. Implementing drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting can minimize water wastage and protect local water sources. Regenerative agriculture practices. Incorporating composting, mulching, and cover cropping can improve soil health and increase carbon sequestration. Fair trade and ethical sourcing. Supporting brands and farmers who follow fair trade practices ensures sustainable livelihoods for workers and promotes environmental responsibility. Local and seasonal purchasing. Choosing locally grown and in-season oregano reduces transportation emissions and supports regional farming communities. Biodiversity conservation. Encouraging agroforestry and habitat preservation within oregano farms helps maintain local biodiversity and prevent land degradation.